So in today's video, it's just going to be a quick walk around comparing the Ace Pro 2 to the Action 5 Pro. I've come back to this Sutton Hall place because it's a great location. We've got a lot of light spots and a lot of shaded spots. So what I'm going to do is put a split screen up for you. On one side we're going to have an Ace Pro 2, on the other side it's going to be the Action 5 Pro. And I'm going to keep that split screen up all the way around the walk, and then we're going to be able to see which camera is best for you. So both cameras are going to be set to 4K 30, automatic mode straight out the box. That way you get a real feel for what it looks like out of the box. The field of view is going to be set to D-Warp, and the high dynamic range, the HDR, is going to be activated on both cameras. The reason I'm doing that is because on the Action 5 Pro, the high dynamic range is always enabled. Although we've had several updates with the Action 5 Pro, DJI are quite firm there in keeping the high dynamic range enabled. So that's why I'm activating the HDR on the Ace Pro 2, so it's a fair comparison. So I'm going to start off at the front of the hall, walk around the building, and then finish off where I started. Let's hit record on these two, split screen it, and compare the differences there. Here we go. So now we're coming into the first shaded area. Again, both cameras are automatic mode, so we've got no low light modes enabled. Now I'm going to go back into the hall, but this time both cameras are going to be facing towards me, just so we can see some differences there. Here we go. Just come out with the light back in a shaded area. It's not that busy here today. It is a weekend. I expected a lot more people to be in here, but there isn't. Again, which camera is performing the best now that both cameras are facing towards me? Just go down to this dark area, which I'm in right now. Now let's walk around some more well-lit areas and some shaded areas. I'm saying that the sun's that low this time of year. There's not much areas which are well lit up. In summertime, this place is a lot more brighter. Again, which camera is performing the best as I'm walking through these shaded areas? Again, on this video, I'm not going to be enabling the pure video mode or the super night mode, because it's just not. So in this particular video, I'm not going to be going into the pure video mode or the super night mode, as I've covered that really in depth on a lot of my other videos. So if you just scroll down my channel, you'll see those. This quick video today is just having them automatic mode, facing away from me and then facing towards me, as I really want to test that 1/1.3 sensors on both cameras. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today and you've had a real good insight of the Action 5 Pro versus the Ace Pro 2. And now that you've viewed the split screen, you'll be able to decide which camera's for you. So which one is better, the Action 5 Pro or the Ace Pro 2? So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.